So guys, ayan, it's already 6:28 p.m. and kaliligo ko lang kasi galing kami sa aming sideline job. And hindi ako nakaligo kanina before kami bumalik nung after namin mag-lunch kasi nag-rush kami ng mga ipapak. And ngayon, here, magna-notebooks naman kami, magtatahin ng mga notebooks. So yeah, busy-busy ang mga persons. Hinahanap ko yung violet. Ayan pala nasa ano. Ginawa ko palang stand. Because I don't have a stand for my, you know.
Dito wala papunta yung ano yun. Pabili. May Sebo de Macho.
And I just wanna share this guys. This is the time na bumusa talaga ng heavy yung rain and exact sa harap ng church. So ate and I have no choice but to stop over here and wait until the rain stop. I feel it na para bang sinadya na pumuhos ang ulan and nandito kami sa tapat ng church. Mismong sa tapat ng church pa talaga kami napa-stop na parang bang God telling us na stop muna kayo dyan mga anak and pray even just a minute. I realize God is always make a way para makakonect siya sa atin but sometimes hindi natin napapansin because we're too busy sa maraming bagay. Good morning everyone. It's Monday evening. Okay, breakfast. I feel ito patuloy here.
What if your blessings come through raindrops? What if your healing comes through tears? What if 1,000 sleepless nights are what it takes to know you're near?
Hi, happy Monday everyone. So, still work again. We're not finished yet in these notebooks.
Hindi ano to? Basa. 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 Like this yan. Ay, iba-ibang style. Ay, ano? Style. Iba-ibang size yan. Hi guys, ayan, since, nagbawa.
So, what's up guys? A day in my life. Charot. So, dahil maulan ng panahon, and galing kami sa work namin, sa tatahian kanina, umuwi lang kami kasi, nag lunch break, and wala pa naman kaming gawa, so, hindi pa kami babalik, siguro, kasi wala pang gawa, and wala namang pasok ngayon ang mga student, so, walang deliver. So, natapos naman namin kanina yung mga yung mga dapat i-pack, pero hindi pa
Totally tapos lahat.
here. It's a Korean song. Sonage. Korean song. I wrote it before. Yo! Ayan, nakapagsalat na ako ng konting Korean words. Korean vocals. It's just a little Korean vocals. Every time I write Korean or I learn Korean, I feel like lazy, something like that. And yeah, it's the raining. It's the storming outside.